let's get started with changing the battery in the C7 key fob. So to change the battery in the key fob, first you remove the key from the fob. So you push that button at the top, unlocks the key, and once you have the key removed, you then take the end of the key, the back side, okay, which is this side here, and you push it into the hole of the key fob. Till it's about halfway. You'll see it has spread the key fob. And then you use your fingers nice and carefully to start to remove the key fob separated in half. And you want to be cautious when you do this so you don't break anything. Okay, so something came out. And this is the board and the spring. What that spring came from, no clue. So we're gonna have to do a little discovery and see what that came out of. And this that popped out with the spring. Okay, I see. So this goes to this here, which is obviously a lock. There is a spring that goes in there, which I'm gonna have to find out where that spring goes that belongs in there. So, yeah, okay. So I know where it goes now. I got this. So if this ever comes apart on you, it's a pretty easy fix. That spring goes right in that hole. Don't lose the spring. Slide it back in there. And then we'll slide it into that hole and pop it back in place where it belongs. You want to take your time doing this. Don't rush. Doesn't pay to rush. Flip it around to the right. There we go. Okay. So the spring is in place. All that spring does is keep pressure on that little piece that locks it together. This battery is changed. It's a new battery. Make sure your board is in the right spot. It should not move around, should not go anywhere. And then flip it over. Start at the bottom. Make sure the bottom is aligned and start to squeeze it together. There you go. And you will see that the key fob is sealed all the way around evenly. If not, the corner is not, apply pressure and it should close. And then slide your key back in and snap. That spring is for this, to take the key out of the fob. And that's what that spring is for. So don't leave it out should it pop out on you. Pretty easy fix. So I'm gonna unlock. There we go. This key fob is working.